Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the crowded market of e-bikes, particularly for those seeking a powerful and versatile ride. With a peak motor output of 1800 W, this bike delivers remarkable acceleration and the ability to tackle steep hills with ease. The motor is impressively efficient, providing a smooth ride regardless of terrain, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. One of the bike's most commendable features is its robust build quality. The aluminum alloy frame is not only lightweight but also durable, contributing to the bike's overall stability and handling. This is crucial for riders who demand reliability in various conditions. The adjustable front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride on rough paths. The battery performance is another highlight of the Aipas M1 Pro. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, users can expect a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. The bike offers 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their fitness levels and preferences. This flexibility makes it suitable for both leisurely rides and more vigorous workouts. The display panel is user-friendly, providing essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled at a glance. Additionally, the inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety during nighttime rides, making this bike not just powerful but practical as well. However, potential buyers should be aware of the bike's weight. At around 70 pounds, it may be cumbersome for some riders, especially when maneuvering or transporting it. Nonetheless, the performance and features heavily outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a formidable choice for anyone seeking a powerful, reliable, and enjoyable riding experience. With its blend of performance, build quality, and user-friendly features, it's an excellent investment for both seasoned cyclists and newcomers to the e-bike world.